In Puducherry state, there are 8 people who are getting treatment affected by the coronavirus. 6 people are in Puducherry, 2 people are in Karaikal. The new case has come. One person who is from Puducherry was working in Kannur airport. And that gentleman met with an accident near Kannur airport. When he was tested, he was having the coronavirus effect. Therefore, it will come in our account. Total 9 cases are there and they are getting treatment. All those people are ill and healthy. And our state government is taking a lot of steps to ensure the people coming from outside are being prevented and the local population go by wearing mask. When they go for shopping or also the banks and other offices, they have been maintaining social distancing. This kind of awareness has come to the people of our state. In spite of the fact that the coronavirus number is increasing in Tamil Nadu, the people who have been affected by coronavirus in Tamil Nadu, and in the adjoining districts of Kadalur and Viluppuram, the number is more than 400 and 300. Puducherry, we contained it, only about 9 today. Even among them, one person in Karaikal has been negative the first time. The second test to be carried on tomorrow, day after for him. For the purpose of controlling the coronavirus spread in Puducherry state, the entire official machinery is on the job. The people, especially the doctors, nurses, the ASHA workers, ANMs, Anganwadi workers, the police department officials and the police personnel, the PWD, LA, local administration, then the revenue department, the department of civil supplies officials and workers, the teachers and the electricity employees and the people who are involved in cleaning. All these people are really working day and night to contain the effect of coronavirus in our state. Today we had our cabinet meeting. In the cabinet meeting we discussed the 4th lockdown that has been announced by the Government of India. At the time when 3rd lockdown was announced by the Government of India, we brought several relaxations on the basis of the guidelines and we opened the shops, establishments, the industries, and we wanted the normal activity, essentials and non-essential shops have been opened, and the local people are the purchasing items in the market. Now the Government of India yesterday announced the lockdown will continue till 31st of May. They put certain restriction, they announced it, and in fact the recommendation which has been given by most of the chief ministers including me, the authority to declare red zone, orange zone and green zone should be by the state government and it should not rest with the central government, because the local government knows which are the area to be declared as red zone, which are the area to be declared orange zone or green zone. Therefore the Government of India should leave it to the states, and this time the Government of India has given us the clearance and the state government has been authorized to declare these 3 zones. The relaxation that has been given by the government, because all the shops can be opened, keeping social distancing, the goods should be sold. And several relaxation which has come now, the auto rickshaws can function by 2 people can be carried by the auto rickshaws, and saloon can be opened. The Government of India's announcement, the religious institutions have to be closed, no political activity during the COVID period. They said that air travel is prohibited. Several restrictions have been given by the Government of India. In fact, in Puducherry, we have been following the norms given by the Government of India, and there is a demand. Since the liquor shops have been opened in Tamil Nadu, Puducherry also it should be opened. Keeping that in mind, we have given the permission for the liquor shops to be opened from tomorrow onwards, and the guideline given by the excise rules, it has to be followed for the purpose of opening the liquor shops. In fact, in the evening, the shops can be closed before 7 p.m. That is the bottom line. Otherwise, the guideline is that the toddy shops and arak shops can be opened at 6 a.m. The wholesale can be opened at 9:30, closing at 7 p.m. And the FL2 license can be opened at 8 a.m. and closing at 7 p.m. This guideline will be implemented from tomorrow, and the people, especially since Tamil Nadu has opened the liquor shops, we have no other option to open the liquor shops in our state, and we strictly follow the guidelines of the Government of India, and by that, apart from the Government of India guidelines, we have been vigilant to see that there is no outside interference, no people coming unauthorizedly to our state. Only the local population can move from one place to other. All the arrangements have been made, and the vehicle can move. If the cars, only 3 people, 2 on the back, 1 in the front, that is allowed. And the restaurants, no question of this, people sitting and eating there. Only takeaways are allowed. And even in the liquor shops, takeaways are allowed. There is no question of people sitting and taking liquor in the liquor shops. That is also prohibited. Only the takeaways are allowed. Like that, Government of India's guidelines are very clear. And today, the situation when compared to all India level, now it has crossed more than 90,000 and death rate has come to more than 3,000 in India. Tamil Nadu, the corona affected persons are more than 11,000 and death rate is also increasing there. Under the circumstances, since in the border areas of Puducherry, the Villupuram and Kadalur, the numbers are increasing. We are able to contain it because of the efforts taken by all the officials of our government, our honorable ministers, honorable MLAs. In fact, I thank and congratulate the doctors, the nurses, ASHA workers, ANMs, Anganwadi workers, police officials, police personnel, the PWD, local administration, the revenue officials, the civil supplies officials and workers, electricity personnel, and the other departments which are involved in containing coronavirus in our state. Therefore, because of their effort, we are able to contain the coronavirus effect in our state. And I once again thank all of them. Thank you very much.